this brief video, I'm going to show how to update a major version update to plant an app. From the configuration screen, we can see that we are currently on version 1.27.475. The major is 1.27. If you go to the configuration screen updates, you'll see that you will have the option to update to the latest version. So it tells you we have installed version 1.27, and there's a button to update to 1.28. If you click the button and there are any available hotfixes, it will let you know, and you have to install all cumulative hotfixes before you can install an upgrade to plant an app major version. So we'll click the select button and install all updates and say yes. This will, after all the hotfixes have been installed, you'll be able to proceed on with installing major version upgrade. So we'll wait for that. After the hotfixes are installed, you'll be returned to the updates page, and we can look and see now no cumulative hotfixes are available to install, and the update to 1.28 button is available. So you'll click this next available update button. It will show you the release notes and then show you the button to finally begin the update to version 1.28. When you click it, you'll get the option if there is a later version of DNN that's available and recommended for your system, you'll get the opportunity to install it. So if you say yes, the update will install together with the new DNN version. If you say no, the update will install without a DNN version update, and cancel will return you with no changes. We're going to say yes because we want to continue with the update with the DNN upgrade included. At this point, the update is prepared and the DNN installer is called to complete the work. You can see that the DNN upgrade is taking place, telling you it's going from a previous version to a new version. And you can scroll down to see the success of each item. And you can continue to show, go down to the bottom, and depending on the update, you may get this checking security aspects. And then we just keep scrolling down to the bottom until it offers to let us view our website. And finally, it offers us click here to access your site. You click there, and the upgrade will be complete. You'll be returned back to your Plant an App system and can return to the configuration menu to see that the new version has been installed.